As an agency, we're very much about having common currency, right? So getting to a place where we can measure across platform, across device with common currency is absolutely where we need to be going, and some of the recent announcements and some of the products that are coming into the marketplace are enabling that cross-platform audience delivery and audience verification. I think, and we've been doing that for a number of years. It's really allowed us to have some common currency across traditional linear television and digital video, and that's been fantastic in terms of allowing our clients to move money from one platform to another.
But there's been some calls for the MRC, there's been some calls for more standard auditing. Why is that, or what's the need for that?
So I think the calls for more standardization in terms of audience measurement, I think, is to enable the ability to have an apples-to-apples view of different media and the value of that media to be able to provide that. I think the caution that I would have, however, is that not every campaign requires us to be looking at media in exactly the same way. So getting into a common metric around reach and frequency and impressions is fantastic for those campaigns that require us to be looking much more at awareness campaigns, or where reach and frequency is important. But for many clients, they're looking at direct response metrics and actually a cost per action, or valuing media based on the action. It really doesn't matter what the reach and frequency is if the medium is not actually delivering that action, then it's going to, not be a core part of that plan going forward.
So Doug, there's a lot of publishers here at the conference. What are the issues you think on their minds? I mean, you sit on the buy side, but what do the publishers, what do you think the issues are that they need to solve?
One of the things we were talking about today is, do we really need viewability standards, or should we be actually getting down to paying based on time? So cost per view, cost per completion, and so on. I think we would love to get to that metric, and where we've seen that metric be put in place, it's been very valuable. I think the problem is quality content. Are there enough publishers with quality content that would allow us, that are trading on that metric? And there just aren't today. So until we get to enough quality content that's trading on a viewable metric, on a cost per view or some time-based currency, we're still going to need the viewability measures that are in place today, so that we actually have the ability to scale what our clients are looking for in the marketplace.